Asphalt mixture ignition oven proficiency samples 51 and 52 are currently being processed and packaged for shipping. The samples will be shipped to you on October 30th, 2025. Upon receipt, carefully open the box and check to see if the samples were damaged in shipment or if they are missing a component. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or did not receive your samples by November 13th, 2025, please contact us immediately. The sample box should contain the following items: 1 bag of 12.5mm half-inch aggregate, 1 bag of 9.5mm 3/8 inch aggregate, 1 bag of 4.75mm number 4 aggregate, 1 bag of 2.36mm number 8 aggregate, 1 bag of fine aggregate that is 100% passing the 2.36mm number 8 sieve, 1 bag of mineral filler, 1 pint can of liquid asphalt, and 2 pre-mixed bricks of asphalt. The can of liquid asphalt and aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch and 2 asphalt correction factor specimens. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please note that you must calculate the percent asphalt from the batching instructions. Once you perform this calculation, you will compare the calculated value to the reported asphalt content from your oven and determine the appropriate correction factor. Additionally, there will be 2 pre-mixed bricks in the sample box. One is labeled Sample A, which corresponds to Sample 51, and the other is labeled Sample B, which corresponds to Sample 52. These pre-mixed samples are the unknown bricks and will be burnt, washed, and graded. Upon receipt, assume that the pre-mixed bricks are moisture-free and the mass of each of these asphalt bricks and any residual pieces of mixture should weigh between 1,595 grams and 1,625 grams. If your samples are outside of this range, please contact us. The closing date for this round is December 25th, 2025. Finally, all pertinent information such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the data sheets and instructions page. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.